11 minutes, so you need to check it after 11 minutes.
Okay.
And if it needs more, then you give it more. Now, I've already...
Onions.
No, I'm going to make a sauce that goes over the top, which is mayonnaise and mustard.
So, mayonnaise and mustard. Looks like about a half cup to 2/3 cup mayonnaise, and then mustard. Okay, so he goes by color, and looks like it's probably about at the most a 1/4 cup. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, so that's the color it looks like. Okay, so we microwave the cauliflower for 11 minutes and then check it. After 11 minutes, poke it with a fork, and if it's not tender enough, just add more time. So this one was done for 16 minutes. Okay, so that was on high, and it looks like it's ready. And then now what do we do?
Goes back in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, back in the microwave on high.
Yep.
For another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so while the cauliflower is cooking in the microwave, melt about a tablespoon of margarine in a saucepan and slivered almonds, cooking wine, and a little bit of balsamic, so about a tablespoon of each.